Thank you for choosing ECR4Kids horizontal wall-mounted changing station. We have made every effort to supply a quality product that with proper installation and care will provide many years of trouble-free use. To begin, read the owner's manual and installation guidelines entirely and keep the owner's manual for future reference. A qualified professional must evaluate the installation location and provide the appropriate hardware to ensure safe use. Due to the wide variety of wall materials and mounting requirements, ECR4Kids does not include hardware. Please find the manufacturer information on the product sticker located on the bottom edge of the unit or printed directly on the shipping carton. Use this information and visit our website at www.ecr4kids.com/changingstation to register your unit online. Start by identifying your desired installation location. Consult with a qualified professional to determine the best anchoring hardware for your specific wall material and to ensure it is installed to ADA compliance. The mounting plate comes pre-affixed to the unit and must be removed by the user before installation. Using the mounting plate, mark the installation location on the wall. Ensure your marks are level for proper alignment. Once confirmed, secure the mounting plate to the wall using the appropriate hardware. Please note that the mounting plate is not intended to hold the weight of the unit during use. Temporarily place the changing station onto the mounting plate. Use a pencil to mark the locations on the wall where the hanging hardware will be installed. Remove the changing station and prepare the marked wall locations for the hanging hardware. Carefully hang the changing station back onto the mounting plate. Secure the unit to the wall using the anchoring hardware recommended by your qualified professional for your specific wall type. Complete installation by inserting the provided screw covers into the 6 mounting holes for a clean, finished look. Finally, fill the integrated liner dispenser and your changing station is ready for safe and convenient use. At ECR4Kids, we're committed to safety, testing, and regulatory compliance to ensure our products meet or exceed industry standards. You and your kids deserve the absolute best for a brighter way to play, share, learn, and grow.